Good evening, my crafting friends. How are you? Thanks for joining our last week, at least for now, of the Crafting Queens Challenge. So each week for the last 4 weeks, we've gone online and promoted a particular color or created a particular color challenge, a bundle, and a variety of projects. This week's project is creating something using our Storybook Friends. So Jen Chow and Lisa Bauer and I will all be going live tonight at 7 p.m. on our YouTubes. And please make sure you check out their videos as well. I'll share their links in the video as well. So you can vote for your crafting queen. I'm so proud to announce that Jen Chow won last week. So all three of us have won 1 week. So this is the reigning, I guess, challenge here. So if you like what you see and what I'm creating, please give my video a thumbs up. We will come back and do this challenge at another time, but the three of us are currently working on a very, very special event for you guys. More details to follow, so please stay tuned. So this is our stamp set that we're using, Storybook Friends. It comes with a variety of sentiments. Look at all these cute characters, and it's perfect for the Easter season. And guess what? It returned back to stock this week. So excited. Perfect timing. These are the beautiful dies that come. I love these framed dies that are available. You've got your Easter bunny, you've got a squirrel, you've got a hedgehog. So perfect for the season. And it's not just for Easter, it actually is for spring as well. So obviously I was debating on what I should create. So my challenge is going to create this fun fold card. We're going to recreate this tonight. But obviously I had to create other items as well. So here is a really cute box. The top slides, the bow slides off, creates this nice box, huge size. It's about 6 inches in width and about 4 1/4 inches wide. You can get so much into this cute little box. And also created this fun little stamp set, Hello Spring. I don't have it. I can't find the stamp set. I must have given it away as Happy Mail. But very cute. These are punch outs that come with the paper kit that we're going to use. And it's called the Storybook Moments. This just returned to stock as well. And it's got some beautiful paper in here. But what I love about it, it's got photo pocket cards, right? And we're going to use some of these. It's got punch outs, a ton of punch outs, and you can get it with and you can get it with coordinating stickers. Now obviously my stickers are gone because I created a scrapbook workshop with that as well. So let's get started. The other thing I want to point out to you, and I'm completely out of stock of it, is the Timeless Plaid 6x6 Designer Series paper. We're going to be using some of that as I create this card. And it coordinates perfectly with this set. So let's get started. I've done my best to create some measurements on here. And of course I didn't, I thought I did, but we'll give it to you. So this is measuring up to be 8.5 by 5.5, and we are scoring at 2 1/8 and 4 1/4 on this piece. And then you're going to fold this in like an accordion, right? Now I love a matted card, so you're going to see a ton of matting at this point. So 2 additional pieces, and I chose, Mossy Meadow. I knew the name was going to come to me. And you're going to need 2 pieces of 2 by 5 3/8. I'm gonna line that up right there. I love these little Post-it notes. Sorry, my big head just hit the camera, so if you got a little motion sickness there, it's my fault. My apologies. And you're gonna need one at the Mossy Meadow at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. Now, obviously, this card can be created without these additional mats. I am definitely what you would say a card mat girl. This one's a little off, and I'm just going to pull this off and realign it. Perfect. So now that timeless plaid paper is what we've created here for my two insides. Look how beautiful that goes together. And it's double patterned paper. It's 1 7/8 by 5 1/4, and you're going to need 2 of those. And then I took the Storybook Moments paper, right? Two-sided. But I'm going to use this beautiful floral background. And we're going to add that here. So what I do to try to even it out, make sure that it's even, is I look from corner to corner to do my best to get that straight on there. So here we have our basic fun fold. Now we need to create our bridge, right? So I am taking the, this is Lost Lagoon, and this is 3.5 by 7 inches, and I scored it at 3.5 by 5 5/8. And to make sure that this is going to fit on here correctly, because this is going to go like this, right? Is I'm going to put adhesive on this edge right here. I'm going to have this closed. Line it up, center it, and then bring this out and put adhesive on here. And as you can see, it'll fold very nicely. So now we're going to decorate these pieces here. And again, we're going to do some matting. Now, I picked out Very Vanilla. I think white would have gone well as well. But my inner mat is 3 3/8 by 3 3/8. And then obviously this would be 3 1/4 by 3 1/4. I know some of you are not 1/8 fans, but this card does require, if you're going to be doing the double matting. Like I said, if you're not, you can get away with most of the card being not created with 1/8 inches. So here is going to be our sentiment, or where we can write our sentiment, special sentiment. And this piece is, 2 by 3 3/8. Again, our Very Vanilla. And I am not double matting this one. And then we are going to create our last section here. This very vanilla piece is 1 1/4 by 3 3/8. And I took a Versamark and gold embossing powder. Stampin' Up! Sells a selection of it in 3 colors. I believe it's white, gold, and silver. Comes in 1 selection, and then there's another color option as well. So I chose a gold, and I'm using the sentiment, thank you very much. It is perfect size for this card. So we're going to add that right inside there. And now we are going to use some of our dies to decorate. So what I did here is used this beautiful frame die cut that comes in the bundle, stamp bundle. And I am going to add some adhesive on here. Gonna line that up right there. And then I'm gonna pull out our die punch items, the ones that I shared with you just a few minutes ago. And we're gonna see what works well within the center piece right here. I personally think that this cute little guy right here is adorable for a thank you card. So I'm gonna put him right there, but I'm going to pop them up, or her up. How cute is she? Right? She fits perfect in there. And then I think I'm going to add a little bit of an accent in here. Let's see what there is. I want something like flowers, so and something that will definitely pop right here. Oh, this will look nice. Perfect, right? And here, I'm not going to pop this up because I'm afraid that it will make my card envelope, it's just a little bit bulky. So we're just going to add that right there. Opportunity to write your personal sentiment in here. And there you go. A fun, fold, beautiful card. Spring, Easter theme. This one's a thank you card. So I hope you take the opportunity to recreate this. Also, please take the opportunity to watch Jen and Lisa's video. Please give us a thumbs up for your favorite one. And stay tuned to all of our channels because we will be making a very special announcement within a couple weeks on a very, very fun event. So stay tuned and thank you guys for joining tonight. Ciao.